All right, I'm the flatratemaster, and this is a review of the AI OBD handheld quick scanner. All right, so hooking up to the vehicles, it instantly tells you DTCs in the vehicle, readiness okay, readiness monitors. I've got 3. I've got 5 that are incomplete, and CAN protocol. We got 43 items in the data stream that we can view. We can read codes. Got a 421. We can obviously erase. We can go look at our readiness. And we can see the ones that are not complete. Now, one thing I really do like about this tool is you can graph one PID. So if you are going on a test drive and you just want to make sure the vehicle's fixed, but you don't want to take your big scan tool, you can, for instance, we can look at ECT, currently at 21 degrees Celsius. Obviously, the car's not running, so we're not going to see any changes. Fuel trim, map, RPM, spark advance, vehicle speed sensor, MAF, throttle position, O2s, fuel rail pressure sensor. Good bit of data, and the good news is you can graph it. Or you can obviously just do a normal PID list if you want. Great little quick scanner. For what I normally use these for is running monitors. Hook it up, go drive it, make sure the monitors you need to have cleared, and run it through its paces. Good little quick scanner. But I do really like the graphing part. I always like graphing PIDs. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Comments are always appreciated, and as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.